can't look directly at it.
No, the intelligence level is reduced a bit.
She wants it again, Vince.
Too much. Yeah, well, I might have dialed yours back
Lexus,
a little more
look.
than I ought to have. What do you mean? Brian? Meet Bitch Brian. Hi, Brian.
Gotta be careful, you
got
don't
some
want to shine the
stuff
center
you want
eye.
me to
Yeah.
do for you? Oh my God. Yeah, that's kind of what I said too. You know, I'll be honest with you, Brian. Here's what happened. I didn't really want to do the work, so Bitch Stewie sort of did it. Hey, Stewie, how'd the clone turn out?
Brian, I can't go to the bathroom by myself. Will you please help me? But I'm good at other stuff.
Put it on her hand and see what she does.
Hello, Candy.
Hi, Glenn.
Come on in. Oh, how long you been in beauty school?